In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Attio homepage dashboard. We'll start from the home area in Attio, and from there, head over to Reports. This is where dashboards are created and managed, so if you want to personalize what you see on your homepage, this is the place to begin. Once you're in Reports, click New Dashboard to create a fresh dashboard from scratch. After that, give your new dashboard a clear name. For this example, you can use something like Sales Dashboard. Naming it properly is helpful because it makes the dashboard easier to recognize later, especially if you plan to create several dashboards for different teams or goals. Next, add a short description. This gives useful context and helps explain what the dashboard is meant to track at a glance. Now it's time to start customizing. Click Add a report, then choose New Report. For the first report, select Funnel. Attio offers several report styles, and each serves a different purpose. Insight is useful for quick summary metrics. Historical values helps track change over time. Funnel is great for visualizing progression through stages. Time in stage shows how long records stay in a specific stage, and stage changed helps track movement between stages. In this example, Funnel is the best fit. For the data source, choose Deals. Then click Select Stages. This feature lets you decide which pipeline stages should be included in the funnel, so you can control exactly how detailed or broad the report should be. In this example, click Select All to include every stage, then click Save to add the report to your dashboard. To create another report, click the plus icon. Rename this report to something meaningful, such as Lead Report. Clear report names make dashboards much easier to scan and understand. This time, choose Historical Values as the report type, then select People as the data source. If needed, you can also apply filters here. Filters are useful when you want the report to focus only on a certain segment, time frame, or category, depending on what you're trying to measure. Once everything looks right, click Save again. At this point, you've built a customized Attio dashboard by creating a new dashboard, naming it, describing it, and adding multiple reports tailored to your needs. This setup can make your homepage much more useful by surfacing the exact data you want to monitor every day. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.